Have you ever felt? Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, people, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. And you know how it goes. Just continue to grind hard. And trust me, people, it'll be over with soon. Today, we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure right after the video, you go download ASAP because it is worth the download. Whether you're into exercising or not, I'm loving the look and the design of this watch face. Now, we're going to get a guy for, nope. Let's make it 5 thumbs up in the door for the look and the design of this watch face, all right? The name of the watch face is called Fancy Health Gear. It's truly a unique look. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look, same design. But when the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. Now, if you look at the top, you will get miles walked or ran. You're going to also get information on your calories burned. You come down in this box right here, you're going to get your big legible digital time, which I like. The font looks nice as well. You got an AM stamp, animated seconds. You're going to get your date and your date, and also your battery info in the same box. And all the information will be legible. You come down, you're going to get information on floors climb, your water intake, and right over here is going to give you your steps right where the animated man is. I like the animation. I like the look. I think more watch faces with step status info in it should have this. Not that big. It don't always have to be that big. It could be smaller, but I love this animation look. And you got like a pulsation animation that's going on within the watch face that looks awesome as well. Now, the watch face is interactive, so if I tap on my steps, of course, it'll take me into my steps with a single tap. Down here, I can get my water intake. I could come up here, way up here, and I could set a favorite as well. Got to tap way up at the top, and then here I can get my heart rate information. So you get everything that you need within this watch face with a single tap. And I'm telling you, the guy got down on this one, but we are not done yet. So if you want to customize the color thing, double tap, and you can change the color thing just to taste. Just to taste, people. You got a few colors to change to, and if you want to change the man, well, not the man, but the thing that's going on over there, then double tap over here and you can change the ring that's going around the animated man. Not bad at all. Again, I thought the developer did an awesome job on this watch face. But again, at the end of the day, you know, people, it is all about you. What do you think? Please hit me in the comment section down below. I would really like to know your thoughts on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoy your Monday grind. Grind hard. It's going to end very quickly. All right, and I'll see you all at the next video. Just make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.